I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring firmware is updated. This fixes stability and security issues. Once done, log into the primary router, enable mesh mode, and register each node in the app. Make sure to label nodes with simple names so you can track placement. Use a short Ethernet link for the first node if suggested. It speeds initial sync. Do this now to create a clean baseline for performance and to prevent channel conflicts later when you optimize. Once nodes are registered, you configure SSID and security so devices roam seamlessly. You should enable band steering to push capable clients to 5 GHz for speed while 4 GHz handles range. Make sure channel selection is manual or auto-smart to avoid neighbors. This reduces retries and latency. If possible, set backhaul preference to wired for the most stable throughput. Update each node's firmware during this phase so everyone runs the same code and avoids compatibility gaps. You finish by validating coverage. Run speed tests at nodes and problem spots, then adjust placement for consistent signal. If a node shows low throughput, move it closer or add an Ethernet backhaul. This often fixes throughput collapses. Make sure to reboot only the problematic node after changes, not the whole mesh, to preserve connections. If things go wrong, check the node logs for frequent disassociations. This reveals interference or firmware mismatches and points you to the next corrective action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.